What up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy Cash Capri here representing 876 Hip Hop Music, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody on my fan page. Shout out to everybody on Hip Hop in Jamaica's fan page. Go there and check them two pages out. Check out All White Summer, the EP mixtape by Tom Ray. You don't know that said chemistry music, you know what I mean? Me, your boy Cash Capri, looking out for highly speaking, off my chest the mental, you know what I mean? Basically, this video is about to inform you that we thinking about a mixtape, about a hip hop, a yarded Jamaican mixtape. You know what I mean? Straight hip hop lyrics, productions by TG Sniper. If you don't know TG Sniper, that sound system and production in England that wants to do hip hop yarded production mixtape, just with the straight yarded rappers, just straight hip hop music with the heart and soul of Yasso, the zinc fence where it all come from. So if you feel you got that fire, you got that swagger, you keeping it 100, you getting money, or you doing what you need to do, or you on the block, or you booming or something, holler at me, you know what I'm saying? We about to do some of that fire, because we think that hip hop in Jamaica is just getting that little bit of recognition it's getting, and we just wanted to boost it up. So if you got some iron jail bars, if you spit acid, get on this mixtape, holla at me. Search for your boy TG Sniper, that's TG Sniper, TGSNIPER, on Facebook, and get at him, talk to him about it, because he wants that shit to be real fire. If you want some more information, holla at me, Cash Capri, on Facebook, follow me on Twitter and all that, so basically, yeah, we just want to get some out so everybody can just listen or be their own judge of what hip hop has to say, or what Jamaica has to say about hip hop, preferably. More say we about to do something that's incredible. We about to be like second generation pioneers. Otherwise, some Cool Herc and Sugar Hill Gang and all that. You know what I mean? So we want to be some of the first younger generations to get this thing going. So let's do this. Let's get on something that's going to happen. Let's get on something that's going to make us recognizable. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Shout outs to MMG. Shout outs to why am I say that? Why MMG? Yo, Young Menace, my nigga. I got that. You know what I'm saying? Got that track for you. I got that real track for you. So look out for that. Yeah, the mixtape. More information, TG Sniper, me, Cash Capri. You got fire, you got bars, you got lyrics, you got style, if you got swagger. Yeah, look us up. Yada, Cash Capri, out. Oh yeah, I want a theme beat and that's it. So get used to it. You know what I'm saying? Watch it. Uh-oh. You know what I'm saying? So if you got one, put one up. Light till the sun come up. Sun come up. Yeah.